Tahitian chicken. A main dish from French Polynesia. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Heat oil in a large frying pan. Wash the chicken pieces and roll them in flour. Brown the chicken in the hot oil. Step 2. Mix cornstarch, sugar, water, vinegar, and soy sauce in a small mixing bowl. Place browned chicken pieces in a 13 by 9 by 2 baking pan in a single layer. Pour the sauce mixture over the chicken. Serve on a bed of white rice. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.